Welcome to Bikes Explained, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated machines in the sport bike world, the 2026 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade. A name that already carries legendary status, the Fireblade continues its legacy with cutting-edge updates, refined engineering, and relentless performance, design, and aerodynamics. The 2026 Fireblade maintains its razor-sharp supersport silhouette, but with subtle refinements aimed at increasing aerodynamic efficiency. Winglets are now seamlessly integrated into the fairing, improving stability at high speeds without compromising the aggressive styling. The bodywork is also lighter and more compact, contributing to better handling and rider control. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 CBR1000RR is an updated 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that now produces even more power, thanks to revised intake ports, lighter internals, and optimized combustion. Honda claims a noticeable boost in mid-range torque, while maintaining its screaming 14,500 RPM redline. The bike is also 6 Euro Plus compliant, proving performance and emissions can coexist. Chassis and electronics. The aluminum frame has been tweaked for enhanced flex and feedback, while the swing arm, borrowed from Honda's MotoGP bike, continues to offer top-tier traction and stability. Showa's BFF suspension now features more refined damping settings, and braking is handled by Brembo styler calipers for consistent power. On the electronic side, Honda has updated the 6-axis IMU and riding modes, offering more intuitive control over traction, wheelie, and engine braking systems. Technology and rider experience. The 2026 Fireblade sports a full-color 5-inch TFT display with improved graphics and navigation through a simplified switchgear. Bluetooth connectivity is now standard, allowing riders to pair smartphones for calls and music. Honda's quick shifter is smoother than ever, with seamless upshifts and auto-blipper downshifts that feel track-ready out of the box. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade pushes the boundaries of what a leader-class sport bike can be. With updates that sharpen performance, elevate control, and refine the rider experience, it remains a benchmark in its class. Whether you're chasing apexes at the track or carving through back roads, the new Fireblade is ready to deliver. Thanks for watching Bikes Explained. Subscribe for more expert motorcycle reviews and ride safe.